Oh, didn't see you there. Welcome back for another installment of Not Pro, definitely not bad. You know, it occurred to me a couple weeks ago. People are always asking me, Matt, where do you get your sense of style, your fashion, your zeneku seshwa, no me something or other. You know what I'm talking about. But anyway, I decided to share with the world the fashion that everybody asked me about. Not one person in my life, but that's okay. I got these shirts, as you can see. This is one of the samples ones I ordered, stranded, with a nice Dodge Crew Cab. Broken down, side of the road. But don't forget, Not Pro. And how's my back look on that? I've been in the gym lately. Hopefully you can notice. If not, not a big deal. I think somebody does. You definitely do at the candy store. Matthew, where are you going? You're so skinny now. Matthew, stop eating all the airheads. Blue airheads are the best. Matthew, you can't drink out of the Slurpee machine. That silly stuff. Anyway, this week we're going to do the side view mirror. I probably need some help from my beautiful, talented wife. And hopefully she'll help me. If not, maybe I can con one of the kids in. If not, maybe I can con a hobo into it in exchange for a hug or a handshake. God knows I can't give him money. All right, if anybody wants to support, remember it's on the YouTube channel. Love the support if I can get any. Just help keep this going. Maybe comment or two and see if somebody likes it, somebody enjoys it. All right, let's get started. Welcome. All right, today we're going to be removing this mirror that stopped mirroring. As you can see, it's had better days, kind of like me, kind of like you. Hopefully not you guys, though, but whatever. So there's one screw here at the bottom I've already removed. Here's these bolts right here. We got one, we got two, and we got three. The other one's a little bit different. It has one bolt here and one bolt here. I'm going to try to reuse these bolts if possible. If not, I'll just run down to the supply store and get some more. But should be pretty quick. Only bad part that I found is that there's bolts on the back, so I have to have someone unscrew it and me hold the bolt. And then we can replace this. We're going to do both sides. Both sides are pretty rusty. Alright, now some movie magic. Let's get to it. There you go. It's easier if it's down here. Look. There. Now turn it. I'll hold. There. Use your muscles.
I'm trying.
I know, you're doing a good job. Yeah, go. All you need to go is an inch. Look, I'm not doing this, you're doing it.
I know, I was just putting my helmet down.
Make sure it's on there. There you go. That's not helping it. You gotta go the other way, babe.
This way?
There. Come on, cowgirl.
It's coming. I got most of it.
Oh, keep going. You're almost done. The clicking isn't helping.
What?
Clicking resets.
I can't.
You can do it. Keep it up.
Turn my arm.
That's okay. It's okay to hurt a little bit. We keep working.
It's hurting a lot.
Well, we gotta keep working, right? Keep working. Keep working. Almost got it. Let's see. You can do it with your hands.
Got it.
Got it. So I got one done, one side. It's a little lower than I thought, but it's okay. It's not pro, right? We're still gonna figure it out. I just got to refill those lines in. As you can see, I did a dirty paint job on it just to get it. And so far, not so bad. I like it. Serve its purpose. Again, not trying to get it right. Just get it somewhat okay. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and goodbye. So, I had the holes still from previous side view mirrors. I put some Bondo on it. I kind of layered it on kind of thick so I can just sand it away, make a nice smooth surface. Also had some rod over here I wanted to fix. I got that done. Kids colored that. Dad colored that. Kids colored that. Here's some more of that rot before. So sanded it down. I'm going to put some more Bondo on it. And then put some more Bondo here. Cover these holes. Got to get this little spot right here. Get that spot right there. Get that spot over here. Get this spot down. Follow. Come on. Wait. With me. Thank you. Alright, so that's how it started out. And I'll give you an update once I sand it down and paint it. Alright, so I got the Bondo finally dried. I'm going to try to hit it with the sand. Let that set, chill for a bit. I'm going to come back and I'm going to redo it. Repaint it. Doesn't have to be perfect, like I said. All I'm really trying to is just cover up the holes, make it better. Oh shit. Alright, so you can still see the ridges. Not as much, but it's looking better. Plugged up the holes that I was worried about. Already did this. I sprayed it once. I'm going to spray it again. Probably sand it down a little bit more. But it looks a lot better than what it was. What I really need to do is just freaking weld in a new plate there. See? Still drying. Spray it again. Look better. There's this side. It's looking a little bit better. Sand it a little bit more. And then sand it a little bit more, and then I'll keep going. And I'll try to take a picture for you guys so you can see the final product. You see all the pollen? It got blown on the truck yesterday. That was fun, right? Look at that. Gnarly. Who loves allergies? Alright. Alright, so here's sort of the finished product. I ran out of paint, so I had to stop sanding. But a couple more sanding sessions and then painting. This will be good. I'll get some more paint soon. Sand, paper. But, you know, it doesn't have to be perfect. Definitely doesn't have to be pro. It just has to get me to and fro. I should have been a rhymer. Anyway, tell me guys what you think. Hopefully you like it. Hopefully it helps you on your rigs, and have a good day. Alright everyone, have a good week. Enjoy yourselves.